किल 2 आ रही है, लेकिन उसमें मुझे लगता है मैं ट्रेन में सिर्फ चाय दे पाऊंगा ऐसे करके। जिस हिसाब से मेरी हालत हुई है उसमें, जैसी मैं उसको मिलना मैं शक्ल भी से
I would kill to meet SRK of the 90s. Oh my God, I was obsessed.
कम से कम चलो हमें कोई लॉन्च नहीं कर रहा है तो कम से कम अपनी एक्टिंग से और अपने स्क्रिप्ट्स चूज करने के और डायरेक्टर से हम आ सकते हैं उस जोन में। जैसे विकी कौशल आया है
जी,
आई एम ऑलवेज इन अ पोजीशन टू से नो।
एब्सोल्युटली।
दैट इज माय लाइफ। बहुत समय दिया था मैंने, 4 महीने कैरेक्टर को दिए, कुछ महीने मैंने बॉडी में खाया नहीं किया। अब फिर वो जब फिल्म नहीं आई तो अभी मैं देखता हूँ कि कहाँ जा रही है फिल्म।
For all film related interviews, reviews and content, please like and subscribe to Pooja Talwar. You can also follow me on Twitter and on Instagram.
चलो 9 2 11 के बाद एक और 11 के बाद we've got 11. You know it's a divine number, it's a mystical number.
Yes.
And they say apparently it stands for manifestation, protection, and like you're being guided by the universe.
And also the new beginning.
A new beginning.
And also it's a complete number. You start from 11/11, you end on 11.
Absolutely. And I would say a new beginning for everyone because I'm meeting you all after a while. And it's been, for you, certainly turning point. For you as well, doing something different. And you
Hopefully
are-
this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 11/11 manifest करते हैं. And it's also the official remake of the K-drama Signal. So which one, I mean, have you three watched it? You to sir obviously have.
Yeah, but actually I asked my actors not to watch it.
Ji.
If possible, there was no force used or dictate given, but I said that you can skip it because since it was an official adaptation, we were trying to be true to the essence of the story, but at the same time, adapt it so that it becomes very relatable to our Indian audience. And for that, the performances, I wanted performances to be fresh. So they had no reference. So once you have no reference, you create your own. So I think our characters will have their own uniqueness when you see the series. So that is the reason they haven't watched. Otherwise, they're very good at doing their homework on this.
You were very curious also.
चलो जब शो आ जाएगा तब देख लेना, वैसे जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी because it's your own unique show.
It is so uniquely built now because वो इतनी इंडिविजुअल और इतना रिलेटेबल और इतना रूटेड हो चुका है ये शो कि हम अगर वो वाला शो देखेंगे भी तो हमें कुछ ऐसा अभी मुझे नहीं लगता भी इफेक्ट होगा। हालांकि मैं देखता नहीं हूँ बिकॉज मैं रेफरेंस देना पसंद नहीं करता हूँ, बट आई थिंक वो बहुत ज़्यादा रूटेड, बहुत चीज़ें हमने अडेप्ट करके ऐसी करी हैं। जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू वॉच हैदर और इफ यू वॉच मकबूल, यू विल नॉट सी शेक्सपियर इन इट, यू विल सी इंडिया, यू विल सी ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स। तो वैसे ही हमारी सीरीज में भी इट इज सो रूटेड एंड इट इज सो इंडियनाइज्ड नाउ that it's a whole new show with keeping the essence की yes 11/11 के हमने obviously official rights लिए हैं adaptation के लिए, तो उसकी जो मेन ढांचा है बस उसके अलावा हमने इतना इसको ओरिजिनल और इतना जेन्युइन और रूटेड बना दिया है, इंडियनाइज कर दिया है कि वो बहुत बिल्कुल ही हमारे टेक से, आई थिंक फ्रेश टेक से है।
Awesome.
True that.
And after being on a killing spree, you're again on a killing spree, but on the other
Yeah,
side.
on the other side. No, this time I'm not in the killing spree. क्या पता मैं से उसको इस टाइम जोन में उसको पकड़ लूं उस पास्ट में जाके।
हाँ, अगर आपका ये कैरेक्टर उसको मिले तो क्या होगा वैसे दोनों के बीच में?
तो जैसे ही मैं उसको मिलना मैं शक्ल भी से तो वो एक
Parallel universe.
It's a great
It's a parallel world. His character in Kill and his character here, you could create two parallel worlds, the doppelganger, quantum universe.
तो ये एक
Indian context में वो कुंभ मेले में वाली कहानी
बिछड़े हुए
बिछड़े
भैया
ताबीज
Wait, but they
Wait,
actually
wait.
say आपका हमशक्ल होता है. You will have your हमशक्ल.
ट्विटर पे थे, बस एक ट्विटर पे अमेरिकन लोग जो जब फिल्म आई थी किल तो तब बोल रहे थे वो कि
हाँ, doppelganger.
कि फनी पे एक फिल्म बननी चाहिए। उस पे मैं सोचता हूँ कि हम दोनों, क्योंकि पास्ट प्रेजेंट कुछ भी हो सकता है हमारी सीरीज में,
Absolutely.
तो हम एक वो बना सकते हैं।
So what was it like? Now,
It's a crossover
I'll start
picture.
with you. Yeah, crossover. I'll start with you, and then I'll come to the rest. Time traveling and playing this character. How was it? Because this is a man who has his own traumas. He's carrying his own traumas across the time slip. The
You've
time
seen it?
span. I've seen the Korean.
Oh yeah. I thought.
Yeah. So
how
he's
do you know about the traumas?
Yeah, he's carrying his own baggage. So what was it like, and what is your way of approaching it?
मेरी लाइफ जिंदगी का सबसे ज़्यादा चैलेंजिंग कैरेक्टर है ये मेरे, मैं हिल गया था मतलब उसके बाद, क्योंकि उससे पहले मैं किल करके आया था, मैंने कहा एक्शन कर लिया है, हो जाएगा नौ। मगर जब हम लोग बैठे, स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी, सर के साथ बातचीत करी मैंने, एंड जो पास्ट बैगेजेस हैं इसके, जो अपनी वर्दी पे से ही क्वेश्चन करता है ये, तो मुझे अप्रोच समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि इसमें ऐसा पुलिस वाला जब बताया गया है कि भाई या तो जैसे होते हैं वो करूं या वल्नरेबिलिटी से अलग ही कुछ करूं, एक्ट्स दिखाने के लिए तेज बोलूं, वर्ड्स ब्रेक करूं, गंदी एक्टिंग ना दिख जाए हो। तो इसके लिए बहुत चैलेंजिंग था मेरे लिए ये रोल। और वो सर थे तो हुआ, और कोई और होता तो मैं भटक जाता, चले जाता कहीं और। बट यस, इट वाज रियली चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी।
तो सर आपको उस वाले टाइम जोन से भी ले आते हैं?
हाँ, उस वाले टाइम जोन से भी ले आते हैं, बट इट वाज चैलेंजिंग फॉर मी बिकॉज़ देयर वर टू मेनी लाइक आई वांट टू से a very deep inner life going inside this character, and उसके ऊपर से पुलिसिंग भी करनी है उसे, तो वो बड़ा ही एक मुझे contradicting सा लगा था। but I think let's see, मुझे we live and we learn.
Absolutely. And Kritika, and I see you playing the badass, but there are, again with her also, there are two characters.
Yes.
So what was that like? And also, I would say finally your dharma manifestation has come true, because a lot of people have been talking online about that one missed opportunity, but then it's time. The time was right.
Yeah, 11. I mean, it is a magical number, as everybody was
And what a
saying.
script
Maybe
to be a
this was
part
the
of.
time. Yeah, absolutely. I think I got everything with this character to play. इतना कुछ आपको एक सीरीज में एक साथ नहीं मिल सकता. It's like, I'm in both the timelines, so you see me as a young rookie officer, then you see me as somebody in command. You see the whole journey personally, professionally, how it shapes up a person, almost like living somebody's prime years, living another life almost. And this one, as opposed to my last one when I was on the other side of the law, this one was more relatable. I could relate to my character. I could relate with her struggles, her trying to make a place in this when she enters the police force. She's the only girl on that station. And when she kind of becomes, how the system, society, life just makes you stronger and makes you well equipped to be able to command. That whole journey to play it's a delight for any actor. You don't get to do so much in one project.
Awesome. Also, sir, time travel is not something that we have explored in the Indian context much, because when you see actually Korean dramas, whether they're Chinese, there's a lot of time travel involved. Do you think in the Indian our audience would be like okay with adapting to this, genre, or is it just like teasing their taste buds?
I think the Indian audience themselves are changing so much, and it is such a dialectical sort of situation right now. क्योंकि एक तो ड्यूरिंग इन पोस्ट कोविड इतना ज़्यादा एक्सपोजर मिला है इंटरनेशनल कंटेंट के साथ, तो ऑडियंस अब चाहती है टू एक्सप्लोर एंड एक्सपेरिमेंट विद समथिंग न्यू। तो इसीलिए मतलब दैट इज द रीजन दैट देयर इज लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर ऑन द कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स टू मेक एंड गिव समथिंग न्यू एंड with increased frequency. So there is a lot of pressure for that. And we have not explored this kind of a time travel. We have to a certain extent, but not that much. But I think even if we forget about the genre, if it is a story which is told in an interesting fashion, which engages you, which becomes relatable, then this kind of a divides only makes it more, endearing and more, something new to watch. And besides, exploring the concept of time, there is both mysticism and mystery in it. So वो देखने में मजा आता है. And since you have watched the original, now just imagine if you interpret the Indian thing in context of Advaitvad, where we say Brahm Satya Jagat Mithya. So उसमें अगर आप उसको घुमा दें तो क्या मजा हो जाएगा. और हमारे तो महाभारत, रामचरितमानस और ये वेद पुराणों की कहानियां तो घर घरों में फेमस है, तो तुरंत हमारे ऑडियंस उससे कनेक्ट होते हैं. तो बहुत मजा, मतलब इट कुड बी अ वेरी exciting and interesting experience to watch.
And Dhairya, coming to you, thank you for keeping Dhairya. So you कितने ड्रेस है Dhairya अपने नाम से?
Quite true to my name. Quite,
We can attest.
In plenty.
Really?
Yeah.
So he was
I'd
like
like
the
to think
calming
so.
factor on the set.
He is.
He is like this. He's there.
He embodies his name.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, because I can see the vibe, like ये उछलते हैं, ये भी जरा वो आप then like पर आप look at it. पर आपका वर्दी से क्या लगाव है? शुरुआत तो वर्दी से हुई.
For great fortune, no? It's probably like a cosmic calling that it's coming to me again and again, and probably this time even bigger and better. I mean, in terms of, I'd like to believe that it blows up more than Uri. No?
That's the Josh.
That's my 11/11 wish. Yeah, but again, sense of great pride, moment of great pride when you put on the jersey. I've said this time and again, but no better way to put it, because you stand tall, you stand
You
upright.
stand tall anyways. Yeah.
True, I don't need to do that, but still, it just makes me taller for that matter. Yeah, just you feel special. You feel special. There's something about it. There's a different feeling when you put on it, and you have to be mindful of respecting the real society. The people who really wear the society are really running our lives, you know. So again, moment of great pride. If you feel great when you wear it, you're in control, authoritative, and you want to do good.
Yeah, absolutely. So since you're traveling across, I would say 2 decades,
1990 to 2016.
Yeah, 2016.
15 years.
Huh.
Yeah.
So had you, the three of you, made your debut as actors in 1990, do you think that would have been easier compared to being actors, striving for your space despite multiple platforms?
डेब्यू अगर हो जाता ना तो ठीक रहता. डेब्यू तक का संघर्ष
मिलना.
रहता 90s में. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, क्योंकि तब कास्टिंग, आई डोंट थिंक कि कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर्स ऐसे थे, और कास्टिंग से कास्टिंग होती थी. तो मुझे लगता है आप डेब्यू की बात कर रहे हैं तो बहुत बढ़िया रहता, क्योंकि
हाँ, but to find that launch, to find that in would have been.
Would have been tougher then than now?
No, yeah, it would have been, because
Right
he's
now-
right. There was no casting department. There were no casting directors, really.
अभी क्या है कि हम अब कम से कम, चलो हमें कोई लॉन्च नहीं कर रहा है तो कम से कम अपनी एक्टिंग से और अपने स्क्रिप्ट्स चूज करने के और डायरेक्टर से हम आ सकते हैं उस जोन में. जैसे विकी कौशल आए हैं,
जी,
विजय भाई आए हैं, या जयदीप अलावत आए, तो कम से कम अभी हम देख पा रहे हैं ऐसे लोगों को. पहले तो इट वाज डायरेक्ट, मतलब समझ रहे, तो एक
वो कहीं पर दिख गया
कास्टिंग का एक प्रोसेस
कृतिका, आ जाओ.
रोड शो
तो मैंने दिल्ली में थी and all that, but there's no way. There was no
Wow,
way.
because I don't know why I always feel there were simpler times. What would you say?
Absolutely, absolutely.
I
There
think
are much simpler times.
But for you as actors, you think it would have been difficult?
हमारे फोन तक सिंपल होते थे और एक काम करते थे.
both could have gone both way. If you find your footing, then maybe audiences were more forgiving. You could have had more chances. Now, because the avenues increase, the opportunities have increased, but so have the aspirants and the contenders for it. You know, it's not like now if there are 10 things made, there are 100 people for it, really lining up for it. So the probabilities haven't really any easier today, but you have to be like, you've to hit the nail on its head now when you get an opportunity, a big one. You have to grab it with both your hands. Probably back in the day it would be been a bit more forgiving the audience, and you could have got another shot at it probably. So now I feel like you'll have to be really on it.
But Kritika, you, I mean, after a mega successful career in TV, decided to move towards films. Was that not a risk?
It
Especially
definitely
being in such a, sorry to say, it's a judgmental place,
No,
the film
please.
industry.
Yes, it is, and it took me some time also to make my little space, or to be able to get the opportunities I'm now getting.
Yeah.
It was
It's been a
risk.
long haul for you.
Yeah, but I always knew I'm in this for the long haul.
Yeah.
When I decided to pursue my creative, aspirations, and then it was very clear that they were not going to happen on television. So I reached a dead end over there. So for me to be able to do what inspires me, what excites me as an artist, I had to look towards better writing, better environment to make content in general. And so I moved towards film, and I'm so grateful that streaming came into the country at that time and opened up even more doors for people like me and people who were wanting to do good work. So it's been quite a journey, but I'm okay, slow and steady.
Yeah, absolutely. And Raghav, in your case, leaving aside your identity as a choreographer. I'm not even getting there. But as an actor, you had to wait long till Kill. I mean, after Kill, so it's like Kill Bill ho gaye ho aap. Was that also like I would say a trying time to, I mean, make your mark as an actor? Like, look at me, don't, getting lost in an ensemble somewhere.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि मेरे लिए बेहतर था कि किसी हमेशा मेरे लिए बेहतर रहता है because I've worked with a lot of people, I've worked with mega stars in my life, I've experienced every aspect of ऐसा जो आप बोल रहे हैं, but I think कि आपको अगर मार्क देना है वो आपको स्क्रिप्ट ही दे सकती है. स्क्रिप्ट अगर अच्छी होगी उसके बाद ही आप कुछ कर पाएंगे, आप चाहे कितने भी दिग्गज एक्टर, क्योंकि अकेले का काम नहीं है ना. अगर हमारे को हम जो दिख रहे हैं उसको दिखाने के लिए 100 लोग लगे हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरा ही है सब मेरा मैं कर देता या मैं सोच के आया हूँ कि स्टीरियोटाइप ब्रेक कर दूंगा तो हो जाएगा. मेरे से नहीं हुआ, वो स्क्रिप्ट कर रही है, वो एडिटर कर रहा है, डायरेक्टर कर रहा है, हमारे आसपास 10,000 लोग बैठे हैं हमें अच्छा दिखाने के लिए, तो वो चूज करना जरूरी है. वो लोग आसपास वाले, अगर आसपास वाले आपने देख लिया कि यार अच्छा बहुत बढ़िया एंसेम्बल है, अच्छा हो जाएगा, लेकिन आसपास के उसमें ही वो नहीं है दम जो स्क्रिप्ट है या टेक्स्ट है, तो फिर मैं अभी एक स्पेशली चूज कर रहा हूँ कि चलेगा मुझे एक बड़ी फिल्म.
You also feel you are in that position to do so now.
Now, yes, I position, but I'm in a position. I'm always in a position to say no.
Absolutely.
That is my life. That's something which I believe in. So मैंने थोड़े टाइम पहले बहुत बड़े प्रोजेक्ट को इसीलिए मना किया because I don't want to be a part of something just to be a part of it.
जी.
I really want to मेरा अप्रोच मैं चाह रहा हूँ बहुत ऐसे यही इसी माइंडसेट से रहे कि अच्छी स्क्रिप्ट लेके अच्छे डायरेक्टर के साथ, अच्छे मेकर्स के साथ. That's.
Gehra, you've also been particularly choosy about work because we saw in Gehra with Deepika, there was Uri with Vicky, which actually became his ticket to stardom.
Yes.
What is your process? Is it also like, I'd rather not get lost in the crowd and maintain my...
Yes, I think quality is paramount.
Yeah.
The names you associate yourself with, which story are you telling, which story are you part of? That's important because there are no corrections going back. Once it's on your filmography, it's permanent. You can't go back and correct it. And an actor is defined by his choices. So what do you say yes to, and more importantly, what no to? But no's people won't know. So it's the yeses that people will know. And that will form an image, and then that really dictates what work you offered. And then probably that will dictate to what extent can you achieve your dreams, which path will your career take.
Absolutely.
So I've been mindful of that. It's okay if you're slow in the beginning. You can always, expedite things, and I want to, and it will happen. But I've been mindful of that, and I've been fortunate to be associated with some great names so early on.
Absolutely. And so what was it like when you have Dharma and Sikya backing you? What is it like with Karan Johar and Guneet, who are also very different in their creative sensibilities?
Yeah, but fortunately, I think both of them are very creative people in themselves. And being a creative person, they respect any other creative person they are working with. And once they have faith in you, then they give you everything which they can possibly give to make your vision come true. So it's the same with Guneet, it's the same with Karan also. So, as far as pressures or expectations, there were none. So, they trusted me with the story, they trusted me with my vision as to how I was visualizing this. And throughout the journey, they were fully supporting me and encouraging me. So, it was wonderful to work with all four of my producers, Guneet, Achin, Karan and Apurva. So, fantastic people.
Absolutely. And also for you actors, since Dhairya and Raghav have already done a Dharma thing, this is your first, does it help to have a backing of a very big studio behind you, or it doesn't actually matter?
When you're making the choice, it matters. It is one of the things that you look for. It is exactly for what Sir just stated.
Yeah.
Your relationship on set, you have your most precious relationship is your relationship with your director. If your director is backed by producers and there's a synergy there, there is a sync there, and there is respect and mutual trust, then you know that his vision will be supported, will in fact be elevated by everything that the production can do. So because you're entrusting the director completely, and
Yeah.
so is he. He's
Yeah.
putting immense trust in you. So I think when you're choosing, yes, it makes a difference. And I have, at least from the beginning of my OTT career, been very, very mindful of the kind of people I associate myself with, because I've learned everything on set, and I want to be a part of certain style, scale, but shows, so that, like very rightly put, that they become a part of a filmography I'm proud of.
Absolutely.
But there is no direct relation apart from, God forbid there's a crisis, then there is, but otherwise you don't have to be worried about the production side of things at all, being an actor.
What about you, Raghav and Dhairya? Do you want to add to this?
I have done great films.
हाँ.
2-3 मैंने ऐसी फिल्में की
जी.
हैं जिसमें मैं था, रणवीर शौरी साहब थे, संजय मिश्रा जी थे, हमने बहुत प्यारी एक्सपेरिमेंटल फिल्म की है, लेकिन बिकॉज ऑफ वही जो आप बैकअप की कह रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट आउट.
Yeah.
मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा उन तीनों काम वो सब करके, क्योंकि बहुत समय दिया था मैंने, 4 महीने कैरेक्टर को दिए, कुछ महीने मैंने बॉडी में खाया नहीं किया. अब फिर वो जब फिल्म नहीं आई तो अभी मैं देखता हूँ कि कहाँ जा रही है फिल्म, कौन चूज कर रहा है, मेरी प्लेसमेंट क्या है. क्योंकि मेरे लिए कोई बात करने के लिए है नहीं है
जी.
जिसके लिए कि मैं बैड कॉप गुड कॉप खेल पाऊँ किसी के साथ. मेरे को ही बैड कॉप खेलना है, मुझे गुड कॉप खेलना है, तो मैं अपफ्रंट बोल देता हूँ, हाउ यू सीइंग मी, हाउ यू प्लेसिंग मी.
Absolutely.
सिंपल है. तो मैं वो पूछता हूँ और मैं बोलता हूँ कि भाई प्रोड्यूसर हैं अच्छे, फिल्म को कहीं लेके जाएंगे तो ही मैं करूँगा कि एट द एंड ऑफ द डे हम एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं, लोग फिल्म बना रहे हैं ताकि लोग देख पाएं.
जी.
लोगों तक पहुँचा पाओगे आप, किस तरीके से पहुँचाओगे, वो मुझे ज़रूरी है अभी मेरे लिए इस वक्त. इतना सब 15 साल इतनी फिल्में करने के बाद अब मुझे लगता है कि मुझे ज़रूरी है.
Dhairya, for you as well?
They've summed it up perfectly, because making a good project is only half the job. Now, half the job is letting people know that we've made such a good project and come watch it. And that can only happen when solid producers are backing you. And when you have a solid producer, that means they associate that with quality. Now, when somebody talks about Dharma Sikya, they associate that with quality and the highest product out there, and that's what it is.
Okay, as we wrap, I want to ask you, time travel करते हैं. किसको एक शख्स कौन है जो पास से आप मिलना चाहते हो? Let's go back to say 1990.
1990 इरफान साहब.
I will accompany him.
आजकल आपके शाहरुख खान थे यार.
शाहरुख खान को तो मैं मिल सकती हूँ ना अभी भी.
नो, वो उस टाइम रोमांस
मिल
करती
चुकी हूँ.
उस टाइम रोमांस करती
वो वाले शाहरुख खान को, हाँ, I would kill to meet SRK of the 90s. Oh my God, I was obsessed.
तो फिर मैं हथकड़ी भी मैं ही लगवाने आता तुम्हें. पुलिस वाला भी
ले जाओ मुझे.
Actually, 1990s, yeah, it could have, we could have the two of you in a movie, romancing Shahrukh Khan and ये वो
Yeah.
antagonist.
बस then I'm done for life.
मतलब
Then I'm done.
उस फिल्म में डर मैं हूँ. ओके.
Okay, and what about you, Dhairya? चलो 1990 चलते हैं.
Govinda.
Awesome. गोविंदा के साथ कौन से बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ करते?
That's a good casting.
That's a good
Yeah.
one.
Amazing यार.
Yeah.
But what a salvage the franchise that
I
they so
know.
need to do.
Yeah.
सर बना रहे हो बड़े मियाँ छोटे मियाँ.
अब ये लोग हैं तो हमें तो डेविड साहब से मिलना पड़ेगा. अब चोपड़ा से मिलना पड़ेगा.
Awesome, thank you so much. वैसे एक बात बता, Kill 2 आ रही है?
किल 2 आ रही है, लेकिन उसमें मुझे लगता है मैं ट्रेन में सिर्फ चाय दे पाऊंगा ऐसे करके. जिस हिसाब से मेरी हालत हुई है उसमें, तो एंड में अगर, क्योंकि अब किल 2 आ भी जाएगी तो मैं क्या ही होगा. वो विरासत देखी है आपने? वो वैसा वाला कुलभूषण जी का टाइप्स कैरेक्टर.
And you're all set of मटका किंग, हाँ?
हाँ, ये कुछ कर रही है.
ये कुछ कर रही है, गजब का.
ये जिनके साथ कर रही है, मेरे बहुत मन है उनके साथ काम करने
Shooting
का.
for it.
Oh wow. अच्छा, तो विजय वर्मा ये आपके फेवरेट, तो इरफान साहब का
I think नागराज सर की भी बात कर रहे हैं.
हाँ, उन्हीं की बात कर रही है.
हाँ.
हाँ.
Awesome. Anyways, तो इरफान के साथ कौन सी पिक्चर करना चाहोगे अगर आप 1990 चलते
I just want to be a fly on the wall
90s.
of any of his sets.
Any. I think yeah, वो fly on the wall.
Fly on the wall.
Yeah.
चलो ठीक है.
मकबूल से
Anyways,
लेके हासिल से लेके even the last few films like Puzzle,
Yeah.
he did amazing
Yeah,
film.
yeah.
तो वो सब करना चाहूँगा.
all right. Anyways, all the very best. And
Thank you.
11/11. Next time you see 11/11, make your wish. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
If you've liked this interview, please like, share, and subscribe. Follow me me on Twitter and Instagram.